they look steep enough to catch, like, way out there.
Yeah.
I mean, look at those waves just swallow the boulders out at the point. Like, you know how tall those boulders are. You paddle past them, they're just like 4 or 5 feet tall.
Should be fun.
Yeah, it's like a wave park out there.
Would have been fun in this size of swell too, but it's great to be out here in like pretty decent sized shit, even when there's almost no current.
Right? I mean, the river is so tiny, like.
Dude, I think for sure that there's more gravel bar out here now, because since you and I were here, the river peaked, and I think a lot of stuff got flushed out and deposited. And now there hasn't been any big enough storms to like move it away. So now there's like a really nice gravel bar a long way out that shit breaks over. And that's why it looks so different now. Dude, I thought for a second you were gonna pull it off and land upright. No, but your boat was still spinning like it. Yeah. Oh, it was so close.
Oh man. I know halfway through I'm like, wait, how does it feel out there?
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hop out and look at what I did to you. There's gelcoat missing. Oh. You know, like.
Oh boy.
Ah, you'll be fine.
Oh yeah. It's only the stern hatch.
At least it's out of the water.
Yeah.
Probably won't be that bad, honestly. Better you than me.
Hey.
Hey.